Unbelievable.
It's the same doctor. What is this
So
guy
Johnny
doing?
Walker must have articulated something to the doctor to
What is
suggest
this guy's deal?
that he could not continue. Oh, another one. That one wrapped around, Joe.
Round it. Look at him just pressing on the head here, though. That's
illegal.
His knee was down.
Watch this. You can't get more illegal than that.
Yeah, Joe.
It is as illegal.
It's a no-brainer, Joe.
It's a no-brainer in terms of
Aljamain's going to be upset, but he's going to get the belt wrapped around his back. There it is.
That's it.
And that is it.
That's it.
Wow.
Petr Yan will be disqualified, and Aljamain Sterling will be the undisputed UFC Bantamweight champion.
Oh, that's so crazy.
The guy.
Big trouble.
Alvarez in
It's
real
over.
trouble.
Eddie's eyes are gone. Eddie's eyes are gone, but he's still fighting. His eyes are gone, though.
He clipped him hard.
Allowing Alvarez to stay in this fight. Poirier pouring it on.
This is crazy.
Alvarez working the body now.
Alvarez coming back. He hurt him to the body.
Alvarez
Okay, that's not legal.
Hey, that's not legal here.
That's not legal.
See, that's the issue, Joe.
No,
Joe.
No, he lifts him up with
illegal.
it. It's illegal.
Yeah, that is illegal. That is not a no contest.
He lifts him up. You're
That
right.
is not a no contest.
You're right. It's illegal. Let's see it again.
But
let's see it. Let's see it here. Boom. No, that's illegal. The hand was down.
This fight is declared a no contest.
31st trip inside the octagon tonight. Finds himself in another main event against Yair El Pantera Rodriguez. Underway. No touch of the gloves now. They already did that. 5 possible rounds. UFC featherweight division. Number 8, Jeremy Stephens in the black. Yair Rodriguez, number 7 in the green.
Straight away, you see the speed of Yair.
Swiped him down with the left hand.
Huh? 5 minutes.
That's 5 minutes.
Okay, it's been 5 minutes.
Okay, it's
done. 5 minutes.
decision time.
It's done. If he can't open his eye,
Oh, man, this is terrible. This is terrible.
it's done. It's done.
I feel for Jeremy right now.
Okay, vamos. Time to call.
Oh, come on!
This bout has been ruled no contest at 15 seconds of round number 1.
Swelling. Oh! Huge body shot, and Walker then lands a knee.
I don't even know if that was real, though. Johnny Walker tried to try and kneel, but now he finds himself in trouble.
Oh, he's grabbing the gloves. Oh, that's illegal.
He's down.
Oh, unbelievable.
Same doctor.
Unbelievable.
It's the same doctor. What is this
So
guy
Johnny
doing?
Walker must have articulated something to the doctor to
What is this
suggest
guy's deal?
that he could not continue.
It's the same doctor.
Johnny Walker must have verbalized something that the doctor didn't like hearing, and the doctor is calling an end to this fight. Thank goodness.
Dana's coming in there, man. You better back down, right?
On the doctor's advice, due to an unintentional foul, this bout is declared a no contest.
Unbelievable.